Hey, this is Jay from Encodian. Today we're going to continue our series on our utility actions, and we're going to have a look at how we can use the Remove Diacritics utility action to remove diacritic marks from text in Power Automate. So I've got a manually triggered flow, and I'm going to ask the user to provide just a simple string value, and we're going to process that value with one of the we're going to process it with the Encodian Remove Diacritics action, which we can pick up from the Encodian connector here. So there we go, utility remove diacritics. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to pass in the data value or data property even from the trigger action to the Encodian action. So there we go. I've got a couple of extra options here. I can change the culture that I'm processing the text value with if I need to. Please look at the support portal documentation, which gives a list of all of the cultures which we support, which are basically all the default ones. Trim result simply means that if the string value that is processed has any white space at the end, it will remove that white space at the start and end of the string. You can turn that off if you need to, it's on by default. So what we'll do, just to show you how this works, we'll do send an email. And we'll use the notifications action if it's there. Send me an email notification. And I'll just set this up. We've got subject and the process value. So the process value that we want to work with, or the process string value, is contained within the result property from the Encodian action. So that will be the process value. We're ready to test this. So what I'm going to do, obviously it's a manually triggered flow. So let's trigger this. I'm going to pass in some data with diacritic marks in. So if I run this, what we're looking to see is the characters with diacritic marks will be replaced with standard character equivalents. So again, there's the input value, and what we'll see in the email is the process value. So hopefully this gives a simple but effective demo of how you can use this action to remove diacritics from a text value or a string value in Power Automate. If you have any questions, you can please email us at support@encodian.com, and you can review all the documentation at support.encodian.com.